Yo, hello everyone. Do you want to earn extra income by promoting hotels, vacation rentals, and other travel related services? Joining the Booking.com affiliate program can help you achieve that. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of signing up for the program and getting started. So, let's get ahead. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. Of course, the first thing that I will need you to do is simply go to your browser and open Booking.com official website. Go here and search for Booking.com. As you can see, it is this link. Here, I will just change the language real quick through this icon to English. And now the site is finally in English. The first thing that you have to do, guys, is click on this icon which is in the top right corner and register to open an account. You can just put here your email address, or you can continue using a Facebook account, Gmail, or even a mobile. And there is more ways, which is the Apple account or the Apple ID. Let's choose now the Gmail account. Now click on it and to choose the account that you want to sign up with. As you might notice, they will sign me directly to my account because I already have it. As you can see, you have unlocked Genius Level 1. So now I will enjoy a lifetime of 10% discounts and some tickets when I try to buy them. Anyway, for now we have created our account. How can we get to actually see our affiliate program? Even if you notice, you'll have here some rewards and wallet, etc. And you will have Genius Loyalty Program. If you clicked on it, you will notice that this is some kind of affiliating, not really affiliating, but it is some kind of it. So as you might notice here, I am at level 1. To complete 5 stays before 12th of May, I will reach level 2. And each level has its own benefits. For example, here at level 1, I will have 10% discount applied to the price before taxes and fees. At level 2, I will have 15%. And I will have these two, of course. I will have free breakfast. Waking up is easy with complimentary breakfast, so I will have a free breakfast. And I can have free room upgrades, so I can upgrade my room to whatever I like. And for the level 3, you will have priority support and 20% discount. So it is really cool to have it. And yeah, this is all the things that you might have in those levels. But now, how can we get to reach the affiliate program of Booking.com? All you gotta do is go to the URL Booking Affiliate Program. And from here, click on Booking Affiliates. And as you might see here, guys, as you have to notice, join Booking.com affiliate program today. All you have to do is click on register and put here your first name and the last name and then the email address. So we can do something like that. Here we go. And here our email address. Click on next step. Put your company or website name. For example, tutorial. Industry. Offline travel agent, online travel agent, cashback, other. And here website URL if you have any websites. And here we can just put, for example, some random website for now. And here, how would you describe your website? I create content about travel and other topics. I offer travel packages on my website. I show results from multiple accommodation providers on my website. I show results from multiple accommodation providers on my website and set traffic directly to them, and much more. You have to choose one of them, so I will choose this one. I have read and click on register. Please enter a valid website, HTTPS. Okay, let's try to add HTTPS to // And now we have created our account. So now all you have to do is go to your email, put it here, and then sign in, continue with email. And here all you have to do is go to your account. So just go to your Gmail account. Here we go, and verify your ID. So here it is, verify me. And as they mentioned, it will be valid for 10 minutes. So make sure to go to it very fast. Now, enter your legal informations. You'll have to put your legal informations and provide them with your bank details. Once you're done with these two, your account shall be verified 100% and you will have no problem with it. Here you will find your commission scheme. It paid if you paid in January, you will have here how much you got paid and if there is any credit slip yet. Here the performance, so the bookings, how much they made and how much the visitors you have given. So for example, if 100 visitors came and visited Booking, how much these visitors have paid for bookings for this week, last month, and this month. So you know in details how much booking are actually giving you. If they were hiding something or something like that, you will be everything is actually clear here and you can see everything here by details. You can see even the graphics and filter them by anything you'd like. In this platform as well, you will find a bunch of options from products, marketplace that you can actually get by this affiliate point that you are going to learn. You can unlock the connected trip, for example, so you can have all of these things if you actually in the affiliate program. Here you will find of everything from finance and legal, and here your account settings. If you'd like to change the settings or something like that, you might have here everything about them to actually change it. Finally, here you'll find the partner screening. The partner screening country regulatory requirements. We need some info from you to verify your account. So this what it does exactly. Please tell us how you run business. I'm an individual, and then you have to fill these affirmations. And by filling these affirmations, you'll get to be a partner with them. So you will be somehow a partner, of course, if they accepted you by the information that you are going to give them. And by the end, you will start making money through being a partner and through being one of the affiliate partners that actually gives Booking some traffic and visitors. So overall, that's it. That's how you can join Booking's affiliate program. I hope you liked guys this video and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.